Alright, I want to walk through a simple system of equations and how you might solve them. Okay, so let's say I have 5x plus 2y equals 10, and then x plus y equals 2. Alright, so there are a couple different things you could do. One thing you could do is solve for one variable and plug it back into the other equation and then finish. So that would be, for instance, I could solve for x in this equation, so that I have 2 minus y, then plug that back into the original equation. So wherever I see an x, I put 2 minus y, and now I just have something in terms of y, so let's distribute that 5. Go ahead and solve this guy. So I bring that 10 to the other side. I have negative 5 plus 2y is negative 3y equals 0. So y is equal to 0. And then from there you plug back into the second equation. Okay, so that's one method. Another method is a little bit different, and it treats those equations kind of like you would treat just numbers. Like you would just do subtraction on your numbers, right? So let's just sort of subtract this whole equation from the other one so that we can kind of get rid of variables. So I have a 5x. I want a 5x on the bottom so that if I subtract the two equations, I get rid of my x's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that second equation, both sides, by 5. Now I'll subtract one equation from the other. So I'm going to put a negative there and then parentheses around everything to remind me that I'm multiplying every term in there by a negative 1. So 5x minus 5x is 0. 2y minus 5x would be negative 3y. And then 10 minus 10 is 0. So I get negative 3y equals 0, or y equals 0, which is the same answer.